First of all, let's find the value of A. Now looking at A and 40 degree shares the same vertex. Hence, A plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degree, which is sum of angles on a straight line. Making A subject formula, A becomes 180 degree minus 40 degrees. That makes A to be equal to 140 degrees. Now to get B, we can use two methods to find B. First of all, let's say B plus 62 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. Now, B plus 62 plus 40, that's 102 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. B will now be 180 degrees minus 102 degrees. That makes B 78 degrees. This is the first method. The second method, we can say A is equal to B plus 62 degrees. Reason: exterior angle equals sum of two opposite interior angle. And of course, A is exterior angle to this triangle. So we can say A is equal to B plus 62, which is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. B and 62 are interior and they are opposite to A. And remember, A is 140 degrees. So we say 140 degrees is equal to, what is our B? We don't know B. Let's assume we don't know B. B plus 62 degrees. So moving 62 to the other side, we'll have 140 degrees minus 62 degrees is equal to B. Therefore, B is equal to 78 degrees. Find the value of X and Y. Now we are having a triangle. What kind of triangle is this? This is simply an isosceles triangle. And since it is an isosceles triangle, the base angle are equal. X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y. Reason: base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. Of isosceles triangle, please. Therefore, we can represent X and Y with K. X and Y, let's represent it with K. We'll say K, which is for X, plus K, which is for Y, plus 42 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which is the sum of angle in any triangle. the sum of angles in the triangles is equal to 180 degrees. K plus K gives us 2K plus 42 degrees is 180. So we have 2K to be equal to 180 degrees minus 42 degrees. That makes 2K to be 180 minus 42, that is 138 degrees. Therefore, divide both sides by 2. We have 2K over 2 is equal to 138 over 2. 2 divides 2, K will be equal to 138 divided by 2, 69 degrees. But X and Y is equal to K. Therefore, X is equal to 69 degrees, Y is equal to 69 degrees. To find the value of the lettered angles. Now, looking at this triangle, we have two triangles in one image. This is one triangle, and this is also another triangle. Now, this second triangle is an isosceles triangle by this mark. This line is said to be equal to this line. Therefore, the base angle of this triangle are equal. We say C is equal to 35 degrees. Reason, base angle of isosceles triangle, they are equal. C is equal to 35. Since this line is equal to this line, we can get D by simply saying C plus D plus 35 equals 180. Reason, sum of angles in a triangle. The sum of angle in this triangle is equal to 180. But C is 35 degrees, so we say 35 plus D plus 35 is equal to 180 degrees. 35 plus 35, that gives us 70 degrees plus D is equal to 180. Now D will be 180 minus 70. That makes D to be equal to 110 degrees. To find A, we can say C is equal to 20 plus A, which is the sum of opposite interior angle of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle, which is C is equal to A plus 20 degrees. The reason, exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. So, but C is 35 degrees. So we say 35 degrees is equal to A plus 20 degrees. Making a subject formula, A will now be 35 degrees minus 20 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 15 degrees. So, we are left with B. How do we find B? To find B, C and B, therefore, we simply say C plus B is equal to 180 degrees, which is sum of angles in a straight line. And C is 35, so we say 35 degrees plus B is 180 degrees. That makes B to be equal to 180 degrees minus 35 degrees. B will now be 180 minus 35 is 145 degrees. To find A, B, and C, first of all, let's consider these two parallel lines. Now, from the two parallel lines, A is equal to 30 degrees. Reason: corresponding angles. The corresponding angles formed from these two parallel lines are equal. Now, interior angle ACB is an isosceles triangle with this line and this line. It indicates an isosceles triangle. And also, A is equal to B. And the reason is base angle of an isosceles triangle. The base angle of an isosceles triangle, they are equal. A is equal to B. And if A is 30 degrees, B is also equal to 30 degrees. Now, how do we find C? To find C, we simply say A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Reason: sum of angles in a triangle. The sum of A, B, C is equal to 180 degrees. What is A? A is 30 degrees. What is B? B is 30 degrees. And what is C? C is unknown, is 180 degrees. Therefore, 30 plus 30, that gives us 60 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So making C subject formula, we'll have C to be equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Therefore, C is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees.